And yes, guys, I found the Green Avenger that we've mostly wanted. Finally got after I don't know how many years. This one's easy to open because the glue's kind of coming off here, but I'll show you right now. Avenger, guys, that's so beautiful. Monster Jam. I'm happy I own this in my collection now. Same back, of course, as well. We know that. So, further ado, just take this out because it's already half open. That was easy to open. That's the second truck that was easy to open. But it wasn't glued right. There it is, guys. Oh, okay, here it is, guys. Avenger. Look at this beauty. Look at those green rims and beadlocks. BKT tires, guys. Gray roll cage. Black chassis. I love this one. Like, Avenger has Cohen, Monster Jam logo, the skull here. Another skull. Headlight printing, gray bumper. That's really awesome. Look at that. Look at this. I love the Green Avenger. It's the best paint scheme. They're all cool, but I think this is the best one, the OG. And there's a duck in the back. The Texas, not Texas, but the duck something. So, guys, I'm happy to own this in my collection, all this beauty. Hoping to get more soon. Like, subscribe, comment, share. There's more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.